Welcome to Brazil, the land of vibrant colors, rhythmic beats, and breathtaking landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. In this three-part series, we're taking you on a journey through the heart of South America. Today, we begin our grand overview. We start in Rio de Janeiro, the marvelous city, where the mountains meet the sea in a spectacular display of natural beauty. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Beyond the cities, Brazil is home to the mighty Amazon and the thunderous Iguazu Falls, showcasing the raw, diverse power of nature. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.